Hi, my name is John. I'm the lead installer for HomePride. I've been working for HomePride for 6 years. Typically show up to pick up all the materials about 6:30 in the morning, head out to the customer's house where I come out, introduce myself and get started and try to make as little impact on the rest of the house as possible and do my best to finish that day. I've been doing remodeling for 23 years now. All aspects of remodeling, so there's very little I can't do. Almost all residential remodeling, everything from basements to kitchens, additions, bathrooms. Typically, I don't have many obstacles because I've done this for so long that things tend to flow. I was born in Denver over at Swedish Hospital and have lived here my whole life. I'm married with 3 kids. What I most love about my job is being able to interact with customers and help them out.
This is the outside of this glass.
And give them a quality product that they don't have to worry about. Getting it to completion and making sure that it is done quality and quickly. I've spent 20 plus years building a reputation for quality and excellence, and I would not be with HomePride if we didn't align. And so whatever comes up, we've got you.